And Big Tim just caught a bluegill. Show him that.
You got away, get him. Hold on, I got him. You always gotta kiss your catch before you let it go. Ow, he cut me. I got a kick. It's one for the team.
Fly. Oh, it hit hard.
Round 2.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about right here. Prize winner right there. Where's your fish? I ain't got one yet. It's a long day ahead of us. Go get yours. Hope so. Timmel. Looky here, boys. Finally got one. Ain't she a beaut? Look at them colors in there. Look at it. Just a beautiful fish. It's been a good day going fishing all day. Hope to see plenty more of these beauties right here. Like them does.
We're out here today in Ernie's Lake trying to catch us some more fish. Everyone just jumps right down there. We've actually had a good time. We've all got caught in the fish so far. Right now we ain't doing too good. Let's see if we can catch a fish on this next cast. That's a pretty far cast there. That's pretty nice. I'll take credit for that one. Got some seaweed on that run. You any luck over there, dipshit?
They ain't talking to me.
Tell the camera where you're from. Seaweed out there everywhere. Some jack my worm. Catfish hole. There's a catfish hole. I'm gonna stick my rod in it. You see it on camera?
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna stick my rod in it. I think he's gone for the day. Trying to get my rod to come out the other end. Oop, I thought I moved something. We're off to see the wizard. Oh, I got one. Oh, this one's big. Oh, come help me, Brandon. Oh, he's still fighting. Oh, there he goes. I seen him. Oh, he's coming. Oh. Uh-oh. Damn.
That's it?
I'm disappointed in myself.
As you should be.
I think you're a lot bigger. Got some seaweed.
Ow, that sounded like it hurt.
That's what he gets for not being big.
Big, I'm telling y'all, I got one. He's coming right up to me.
God.
Give me some pliers, give me some pliers.
First one. We ain't got no pliers.
Yeah.
Where that?
Check my toolbox.
Hurry. Oh my God. I hooked him good. Get this one, hurry. I think I won the tournament today. What the? Those are freaking like bites.
This is the only kind of
Ah, motherfucker bit the shit out of me. Ooh. Sorry for cussing. Oh my God, that hurt. You bit the crap
You
out
want me to
of
hold
me.
him down? Alright. Open up.
Trying to help you out, buddy. I'm not trying to kill you.
He's looking at you. Don't let him flop out. He's like, dang, it hurts. Come on, buddy. Don't put him in a struggle now. Get it? Grab him by his lip.
I can't, boy. Sorry, you just bit me.
Told you she got the new low fires.
There we go.
You got it? He's like, here, my jaw.
God, I can't see where it's at.
He's like, put me back in the water.
This don't be tired.
I'm trying. Come on. It ain't coming out.
Where's it at? It ain't hooked on his gill, is it? Back over there? See it?
Yeah. I mean, I got a hold of it.
By one, two, they're all three of
It's
them.
not coming out.
Push back on it.
I'm doing.
Come on, like hard. It's the only way to save him before he dies.
I'm trying. I can't get it, y'all. I'm trying, buddy. I'm trying. Almost got it. Almost got it. Almost got it.
Don't swallow it again, buddy. Go up with it. There you go. Pick him up now.
I had to kiss that one. Y'all give me some. Give 5, cameraman. Come give me 5.
I'm coming.
I caught him. Beast!
Yeah!
Ugh! Sorry.
Alright.
God! God! Dog.
That's a big one there.
God.
You need some help with that one?
Yeah. Looks like they put up a little fight. He swallowed that hook.
Tell the camera where you're from again.
I'm from Todd County.
There you go.
This is how we fish. Fish with the big dogs.
Need some help there?
Yeah.
You can get it out.
He swallowed it.
Yank it out. It's a bluegill.
Man,
There's plenty of those in the lake.
I don't want to hurt it.
You already heard it. You hooked it. I thought you were from Todd County, you big wussy.
Oh, I hooked it in.
In and out. In and out.
Take a shot for that.
Go.
today we ended on a good note, had some good fish, and this is the first day for the Bluegrass Bash, and I forgot my line just now, but this is provided to you by Ernie, Tim, and Brandon. Now Brandon will show you our catch, and we're getting out of here.
It's the best catch we've had all day. We're gonna go home and we're gonna feast on it.
Oh shit, they're leaving me.